Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my wish list from the Ulta Black Friday Beauty Busters preview, which was released this morning. Now, I usually don't do Black Friday shopping. It's a little bit too hectic for me. But if I do decide to venture out on Black Friday and I just happen to stop at an Ulta, I'm going to share with you the products that I would highly consider getting because I think the deals are pretty good. So before we get into that, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sonia. I go by Sister Philly on YouTube. I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave today. I would really appreciate it. And of course, for those of you who are already subscribed and you're already supporting my channel, thank y'all so much for your continued support. Thank you so much for coming back today. So let's jump right into it. The Ulta Black Friday sales are going to start on Thanksgiving night, which is this Thursday, November 22nd. I still can't believe that Thanksgiving is like here. But anyway, the sales are going to start on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. You can start shopping online at 5 p.m. Central Time, and you can start shopping in the stores at 6 p.m. And it does say on the website that the store hours may vary, so you want to check your local Ulta to see what time they're going to open Thursday night. So I'm just going to go in order of how they are on the website, and I'm just going to talk to y'all about why I would consider buying some of these products. Now, surprisingly, I shop at Ulta a lot. I usually shop online. There's not a whole lot of stuff on the Black Friday list that I really am interested in. They do have a mix of, everything that Ulta sells, so it's not just all makeup. There's also some hair care products, some skincare products, including things like styling tools. But I do have one skincare product on here, and then everything else is makeup. But just in general, like I was expecting there to be like a whole lot of stuff that I was interested in, to the point where I was going to have to like take some stuff off of my list just so that I wouldn't spend a whole lot of money. But I don't know, it's just not a whole lot out there that I'm excited about for this year. But anyway, let's jump right into it. So the first thing that I am interested in are the IT brushes for Ulta. So in case you're not familiar, IT Cosmetics, they do have a whole line of brushes that they sell exclusively at Ulta. And they have quite a few to choose from. And these brushes get really good reviews on Ulta. I've never tried any of them, but anytime a new one comes out, the reviews are usually pretty spectacular. So the regular retail price for these brushes are anywhere from $24 to $38, and they're going to be on sale for $10 on Black Friday. I think that's an excellent deal because you're going to be saving a little bit more than 50% on the brushes. And like I said, they have really good reviews on the website. So I think that this would be a really good time to try some of these brushes out. Like even if you were to get two of them, you're only going to be spending $20. So I think that's a really good deal. So I know a lot of people are not into dual-ended brushes, but I actually really like them because I think that they're very convenient because you could just go from one end to the other. So one of the brushes I would consider getting is the, this is brush number 132, the Airbrush Dual-Ended Flawless Complexion Brush. And it looks like you could use one side for liquid foundation. It looks pretty versatile. Like the first thing that I'm thinking about is that I could use it for liquid foundation, but I think you could probably also use this for powder products. And then the smaller end of the brush, I would probably use that maybe to blend out my under eye concealer, because when I want like fuller coverage, I usually blend that out with a brush instead of a sponge. Outside of that one though, I haven't really looked into like what particular brushes I would be interested in, but I would definitely just shop around and see, what they have available, since they're only going to be on sale for $10. Next up is the EcoTools Fan Favorites Beauty Kit, and this one retails for, it says it retails for $19.99, but it's a $32 value. But this is going to be on sale for $9.99 on Black Friday. I've never tried an EcoTools brush, but I have tried their sponge, their green complexion sponge, and I used to love it. I think I bought 3 of them, and then after the third one, when it started to tear and I just couldn't use it anymore, I just never went back and bought it again because I had other sponges that I could use. But I used to really love that sponge. And I know that there's a couple of YouTubers that I follow, Emily Noel in particular. She raves about the EcoTools brushes, so I've always wanted to try one. I just never picked one up. But again, this is usually $20 and it's going to be on sale for $10, so that's another good deal. definitely a good time to try out the EcoTools brushes if you're interested. The shape of the sponge in here, it looks like it's the same sponge as the one that I used to use. It looks like it's just a different color. So I feel like if those are the two same sponges, even if I'm not crazy about the brushes, I'm already getting 2 sponges in the kit, and I think the regular price for one of the sponges is like $5.99, so I think that right there is a good deal. But you're also going to be getting 4 brushes in this kit, so 4 brushes plus the 2 sponges for only $10 I think is a really good deal. Okay, next up they're going to have select mascaras for $10 each, and the regular price for these mascaras are anywhere from $19 to $24. Now, my favorite mascara right now is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I think that one retails for $25. I don't see it listed on here. It says you can choose from Tarte, Urban Decay, IT Cosmetics, Smashbox, and more. So if the Lancome mascara is going to be included in this, I would definitely consider getting that. Like, I would probably go to Ulta on Black Friday just to get a couple of those because I love that mascara. That is my absolute favorite. I've also been wanting to try the NARS Climax mascara, and I think that retails for $24 or $25 also. But again, that's not listed on here, but that might be considered the and more part of it. All of the ones that they have listed on here, or that they have pictured, I'm actually not interested in any of those. I do already have the Superhero mascara from IT Cosmetics, and I know a lot of people love that mascara, but that's actually not one of my favorites. I think it comes off kind of clumpy. And then the other ones that they have pictured on here, I've just never really been interested in them. But if they had the Lancome mascara or the NARS one, I would definitely consider getting 1 or 2 of those for $10 each. And next up we have the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. So these retail for $26. They're going to be on sale for $13 on Black Friday. I have been eyeing these highlighters for a very long time. Highlighters are actually my favorite makeup product, and for whatever reason I just have not picked this highlighter up yet. But I'm interested in a couple of colors. The first one is Ballerina, which is considered candlelit warm rose gold, and also the color Peach Glow. So this is a product that I would highly consider getting both of these colors because they're going to be 50% off. I just really like the way that they look. They have a lot of good reviews online. I'm looking at the reviews right now, so there's about 900 reviews on here, and they're averaging 4.5 stars out of 900 reviews. But just because of the way that they look, now we all know that looks can be deceiving. Sometimes a product looks really pretty, but it doesn't perform very well. But this highlighter just looks very intriguing, and I've always wanted to try it because it gets so many good reviews. For whatever reason, I just never picked it up. But now that it's on sale for 50% off, this is probably the top product on my list that I would pick up if I were to take advantage of the Black Friday sales. They do come in a total, this highlighter comes in a total of 5 different colors. They have one that's really, really bright. It's called Diamond Dust. So if you're familiar with like the Fenty, I think it's called Diamond Bomb or Diamond Milk, it looks very similar to that. And then they have other ones that are a lot darker. The darker one is called Gilded Honey, and it's considered a caramel honey flavor, a caramel honey color. And then they have like a few in between. In addition to the ones that I'm interested in, there are a few other options if you're interested. And again, this is going to be on sale for $13, which is 50% off. Next, we have the Estee Lauder Wear It Your Way Pure Color Envy Collection. Now, I honestly can't tell if this is a mix of eye and lip products or if it's all eye products. The mascara in the middle is, that's obviously an eye product. I think that liner is supposed to be an eyeliner, but I'm not sure about that, and I can't tell based on the picture. This is the only picture that I could find. And the other product, I can't tell if it's supposed to be like a liquid eyeshadow or if it's supposed to be a lip gloss or maybe a liquid lipstick. However, even though I'm not quite sure what this is, I'm interested in it because it is a $48 value. It's going to be on sale for $15 on Black Friday, and I think that that price is worth it for the mascara alone. I do have a couple of Estee Lauder mascaras, and they are one of my favorites. I don't think it's quite as good as the Lancome mascara, but this is probably up there with one of my probably one of my top 3 mascaras. I repurchased that mascara quite a few times because I liked it so much, but I haven't repurchased it since. I haven't even finished up the one that I currently have since I started using my Lancome mascara. But the mascara alone retails for about $24 or $25. So to get that for $15 in addition to the 2 other Estee Lauder products, I think is a really good deal. Again, I don't even know what those other products are, but I would be interested in that just for the mascara because I'd be saving like a good $10 on that product alone. Alright, so next we have a skincare product. This is the Dermalogica Daily Glow Duo. This is regular price for this is $18, but it's going to be on sale for $12 on Black Friday. Now, I've never tried anything from Dermalogica, and for the past maybe 6 months or so, I've really been getting into skincare. Like I'm turning into like a skincare fanatic actually. And I follow Nakia Joy here on YouTube, and I think she's a really good resource for makeup lovers who have oily skin. And she talked about Dermalogica in a couple of her videos, and one of the products in particular, I believe it's the Daily Microfoliant. It's one of the products that she really loves. This duo comes with the Microfoliant and the Pre-Cleanse Balm. They're both travel sizes, and that's pretty good for me because normally when I'm buying a new product for the first time that I'm not familiar with it, if they do have a travel size, I do like to get that one first just because I'm saving a little bit of money. I can try it out, and then if I really like it, I can get the regular size the next time. So with this particular duo, the Pre-Cleanse Balm, I'm not really sure if I would use it on a regular basis. Like I would, if I'm going to buy the duo, I'm definitely going to try it out, but I'm more interested in the Microfoliant. I've really been into trying a lot of exfoliating products lately. So in case you're not familiar with the Microfoliant product, it looks kind of like a powdery substance, and then when you wet it, it turns it into like a paste, and then you just rub it into your skin and then rinse it off. It just looks like it would be really soothing and very similar to a couple of other exfoliating products that I've tried in the past. But again, I'm interested in this because not just Nakia Joy, but I've heard other people talk about how much they love Dermalogica skincare, and I've never tried it. So again, this would be an opportunity to try it and save a little bit of money just to see how I like it. So again, this retails for $18 and it's going to be on sale for $12 on Black Friday. And next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits and Liquid Glow. They're going to be on sale for 40% off. So I already have the Sugar Glow Kit, and I actually don't use it very often. I do really like it. I just don't use it very often because I just have so many other products. But I do want to try the Sun Dipped Glow Kit also, even though it's a bit more on the warm side, and I usually go for more cool tone things. Because I do really like the Sugar Glow Kit, I just want to try the Sun Dipped one also. And if it's going to be on sale for 40% off, again, a perfect opportunity to try it. As a matter of fact, now that I'm talking about this, I think I got the Sugar Glow Kit last year around the holidays. I don't think it was Black Friday because I didn't go to Ulta on Black Friday. It may have been that I shopped online, but I think that I got the Sugar Glow Kit for 40% off last year during the holiday season, and I bought it because it was 40% off. So this is a product that I'm just like, I'm really into highlighters, so I feel like it's just another product that I just want to add to my collection. I see so many people using this in tutorials online, and it's just intriguing to me. So again, 40% off is a good time to purchase it. And the liquid glows I'm not really interested in. I do have a couple of liquid highlighters, And I do use them every once in a blue moon, but I'm definitely more into the powder highlighters. So again, if you're interested in this one, they're good. Both of them are going to be on sale for 40% off. And the regular retail price is $40. And the last thing on my wish list is the Ulta Lip Glossary. This retails for $16. It's going to be on sale. Well, it says it retails for $16, but it's a $52 value. And it's going to be on sale for $9.99 on Black Friday. So this lip glossary, it includes 4 lip transforming top coats. They're more like a holographic top coat. So they're like, they shift and turn into different colors. They have 4 velvet matte liquid lipsticks. They have 4 patent shine liquid lipsticks, and then 4 lip glosses. Now, I'm not really into liquid lipsticks that dry down completely matte. I will wear like soft matte lipsticks. In general, liquid lipsticks just aren't my thing. However, I'm interested in this because the colors just look really, they look really pretty to me. I feel like for $9.99, even if I don't like the velvet matte lipsticks, maybe I could like just give them away to different people that I know. But I feel like the holographic lipsticks, I'm not going to use those like on a daily basis, but I think that they would be good to like play around with and just test them out, maybe create different looks with them. But I feel like I can get a lot of use out of the shine liquid lipsticks and definitely the lip glosses. Even if I were to use just the lip glosses, there are 4 different ones in here. I mean, for $9.99, I just feel like you can't pass this up. Now, I will say out of all of the products that are on my wish list, this is the one that I'm least interested in, but it is still something that's catching my eye. So again, if you're interested in this, it's going to be on sale for $9.99 on Black Friday. So those are all of the products that are on my wish list for Ulta's Black Friday deals for 2018. I'm really interested to know what you guys are interested in. If you notice something on the list that I haven't mentioned and you think, oh my goodness, how is she not interested in this? Just let me know in the comments down below. Or if I did mention something and you're just like, I'm not interested in that at all, I'm just curious to know what you guys are eyeing for Black Friday. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And I really hope to see y'all back for my next video. My next video is going to be a tutorial on this green smoky eye for the holidays. So please make sure you have my notification bell clicked on so that you'll know when that video comes up. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.